It's day one. Myself and the AgriMag team are here with John from Radium Engineering, obviously a very proudly South African brand. John, you're the sales and export manager.
I am, yes.
Thank you for making time, and you're going to be talking to us a little bit more and giving us information about the compact spreader that is here behind us.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, it's a new model to our range that we've introduced about a year ago. And are just busy refining the machine, getting rid of all the initial introductory niggles, but we've got a machine that's operating really well at the moment. Yeah.
It's purposely built. You can see specifically it's narrow, it's also not that tall. Reasons for that?
The initial idea was to build a machine that could go under the framework for the table grapes that's set up.
Okay.
To be able to fit under that, and it's quite a narrow spacing, and to go into shade houses, that type of thing. So it's not restricted by any of the infrastructure within those areas. So, yeah, but become very popular machine with the orchard farmers. Yeah.
And I mean, you were mentioning before this information about the different drivetrain and how it works.
Yeah, sure. This is what we call our ground drive unit. So the chain is driven through this gearbox, through the wheel, with direct contact to the wheel of the spreader. The other option is to use a hydraulically driven gearbox, and that you're going to need about 100 liters a minute for. So it's quite a substantial flow that one needs, and generally the smaller tractors don't have that flow required, so this is always an option. The only challenge with this is that one can't go to a variable rate application on this.
Okay.
So one would need to make a plan with if you wanted to do variable rate application.
All right.
And there are ways of overcoming those challenges. So you just speak to us and we'll make a plan as regards the drivetrain. Yeah.
The belt system.
Yeah, this is a system that we introduced a couple of years ago. Also, it's been perfected now. We remove the spinners, which come standard with the machine.
Yep.
And the motors. All of that system comes off. We've then got a bracket system that's built into these machines as standard, and then what we call a belt attachment then slides in and attaches. It then has its own plumbing, which connects to the regular plumbing on the machine, and this is really for those people that are looking to place the material that they're spreading
specifically
in very specific areas. Yeah. So this one would be what we call a band spreader. So the material would move off, hit this plate, and then drop straight down. You can remove this, just increase the revs on your motor, and you'll get projection off of this as well.
Okay.
So it'll go off probably 2 meters or so beyond this. Yeah. There is also another option on this to put a spinner below the belt.
Like the big brother.
Like your normal spinners.
That's
yeah.
Right.
That'll give you more of a projection, more penetration into those orchard trees that have the leaf going down to the ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your different steel types?
Yeah, it's available in a mild steel bin, which this is, which is generally fine for lime and gypsum because it's not so acidic.
Yeah.
It doesn't react with the metal, but for the guys that are putting fertilizer down or chicken manure or croll manure, that sort of thing, then we advise to go to a 3CR12 bin or a full stainless steel bin. And also depending on where you are. So if you're close to the coast, a lot of our cane farmers up in Natal, for instance, that are really close to the coast, they all go with 3CR12 or stainless steel bin.
Of course.
it's slightly more expensive, but
Yeah.
but worth it in the long run. Yeah.
I mean, that's what Radium is known for, is purposely built machines in specific conditions, specific areas. For the people that are coming to NAMPO,
Yes.
where can they? And I mean, NAMPO is busy as usual.
No, it is. I believe
Really?
we're on stand 237 to
I think it is 250.
50 or
So that's the entire block. You
Yeah.
guys are obviously.
No, that's right.
Yeah, and you guys have brought a whole range of different implements.
Yeah.
For
And we're on the Rovic stand,
yes,
which is this Rovic, and I think that most people know by now that we have become part of the Rovic family.
family. Yes.
And yes, it's nice not to have to worry about setting up stands and things, and to arrive and
Yeah.
and everything's been done
Brilliant.
for a change. Yeah.
Well, John, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. Feel free to come and visit their stand. Speaking with John and his team, everybody is here giving technical information. They've got everything at hand, and it's great at one place to see the different type of range that you got here. John, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks so much.
All the best for the
Willem.
show.
Thank you.